Right now, I think things are changing, because when we started the advocacy, people were saying it is impossible. But now you can see the government has a goodwill where they are now working to make sure that the illicit blues and all these drugs are being eradicated. And you can see now the campaign, it's not only us who are doing it, but it is being done by administration, it is being done by leadership, and also the church, the clergy across Kenya. This crisis that is in this country is not going to be resolved by anybody else. The solution are with us. And the communities must start to accept and to know the reality of this drug abuse and substance abuse and know the way.
The society, the parents of us, many people see us and they want to just draw us away. Indeed, Mom is standing in this campaign of fighting for the rights of a boy child. We realize that we are the pillars. We are the pillars of this nation and the world. Only if you are embraced, only if you are shown that indeed we belong and we carry the seed of this generation.
These men you see, nobody celebrates them.
Yes.
We celebrate the Mother's Day, we celebrate the Women's Day, we celebrate all the other days. But I'm very sure many of you did not know today is International Men's Day. Wow. So we have come to celebrate our own, and we will continue every year to talk and to say that the men too are humans. And they love to be loved, they love to be celebrated, and we must celebrate them all the time.